Hello guys! Ako po si Eda Bolaro. Nandito po ako ngayon sa model unit ng new project ng SMDC, Symphony Homes Pampanga, Sonata House Model. I'm here with Architect Romel de Guzman. Sir, ano po masasabi niyo dito sa bago nating project, dito sa Mabalacat, Pampanga?
So, welcome to Symphony Homes Mabalacat, Pampanga. So, this is the first project under the Symphony Homes brand. Of course, as you can see, maganda yung mga bahay natin. It's a modern contemporary architectural design. Enough space for your family and enough space, even more space for your family to grow with you in the future. So, it's a house and a lot more with the presence of our amenities within the subdivision and the whole development.
Thank you, sir. For more information, you may contact me to all my social media accounts.